Number one. I'm gonna guess I know what your question is. What are you supposed to do with part A? Is that the question? Or did you get parts A and? Okay. Two things you should know about this. Usually when people do this, once they've figured out the function, then if their function is correct, they get either part B right. No, if their function is correct, they get part C right, but then they mess up part B. The other option is that they get their function wrong, part C wrong, but they get part B right. You did that?
Yeah.
Then I know exactly what your problem is. Part B gives you time in minutes.
Yeah.
Part A tells you that time needs to be in hours for your function. So you probably did it right, but you did it in terms of minutes and not hours. So let's go through the process with hours and see how it comes out. So I am told that I start out with 2,500 bacteria and that number doubles every half hour. In order to write the function, I need the amount of bacteria that I start with and the growth rate. Yes? So that would be R. Do I have both of those just given to me? Just given to me? What is my amount of bacteria I start with? 2,500, so I have that. What is R? Nope. 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 You're never going to just guess this. I mean, you're not given R. You actually have to calculate R like we did in the second example that we did with the 615 minutes. So we're going to have to calculate R, and the way we're going to do that is we are told that when time is 0, we have 2,500. It takes half an hour for that number to double. So what will time be when we have twice as many bacteria as we started with? 0.5 or 1/2, whichever one you like. So 0.5, and we will have twice as many bacteria as we started with, so we'll have 5,000. Now we can use these two numbers to figure out what R is. We know after half an hour, we have 5,000 bacteria. We started with 2,500 bacteria. We're using our E to the because it's a continuous bacterial growth rate. R is the thing we don't know, and T we are told is 0.5, based on 0.5 and 5,000. So what do we do now? Divide by 2,500. 5,000 divided by 2,500 is 2, so 2 equals E to the R times 0.5. And then? Put it in logarithmic form, and that will be the natural log of 2 equals R times 0.5. And then finally, divide by 0.5, so we'll have the natural log of 2 divided by 0.5 equals R. And so what we will write in there for Q of T is 2,500 times E to the natural log of 2, probably need parentheses, divided by 0.5 times T. I need an extra set of parentheses to make sure that whole thing is in the exponent. Then, to actually answer B, you need to change the 80 minutes or however many minutes you have to hours. How do you change minutes to hours? Divide by 60. So you take our 80 divided by 60, plug it in here for T, and calculate this. And then the number of bacteria after C always gives you hours, so you're just going to plug that directly into your T to figure out the number. And please note, the answer must be an integer. You have to have a whole number of bacteria. We're not allowing those little half bacteria to go one around. Any more questions? All right, then a